Ever wonder how an ordinary young man turned into a philanthropic YouTube sensation known as mrbeast? Let's delve into the life of Jimmy Donaldson, better known as mrbeast, who has captivated millions with his unique and daring YouTube content. Well, every success story has a beginning. Our journey takes us back to 2012, where a 13-year-old Jimmy created his YouTube channel. The early days were filled with Minecraft adventures and detailed analyses of other YouTubers' estimated earnings. These initial efforts may have seemed humble, but they were laying the groundwork for greatness. But little did he know his dedication and innovation would soon pay off. Fast forward to 2017, when mrbeast's unique approach to content creation started gaining traction. He turned heads with an endurance test like no other, counting all the way to 100,000. His counting series became a viral sensation. Alongside, he began his journey of philanthropy with a heartwarming act of giving a random homeless man $10,000. And just like that, mrbeast had found his niche. In the following years, mrbeast's stardom skyrocketed. His unique last to leave challenges quickly became internet sensations, while his large-scale donations showcased the heart behind the beast. But he didn't stop there. With the creation of Team Trees initiative, he redefined the influencer landscape by making a global impact. With every new video, mrbeast pushed the boundaries of what was possible on YouTube. Today, mrbeast stands as a testament to the power of innovation and persistence. He's a shining example of a journey marked by resilience, creativity, and a dedication to making a positive impact. From his humble beginnings to his meteoric rise to stardom, mrbeast's story is a reminder that success isn't handed to you on a silver platter. It's earned through relentless effort, a dash of originality, and a commitment to use your influence for good. So, next time you wonder about the secret behind mrbeast's success, remember, it's a blend of hard work, creativity, and a big heart.